What are we doing today, Jay?
I want to play a new game. Around our area, there's 3 different brands of build your own pizza. There's one known as Blaze Pizza, there's one known as Pieology, and there's one known as Mod Pizza. So we're going to be seeing which one is our personal favorite. We're also going to be seeing if we can guess which pizza is which. We're going to be blindfolded. We're going to be presented with one slice from each place. We will give it a sort of ranking.
All right, guys, so we got our first pizza here at Pieology.
Yep.
Show the box.
Ooh, slid the pizza. We're gonna head over to Mod Pizza, which is our second stop. So here's number 2, Mod Pizza. There you go.
Isn't that trademark? I don't know. We're gonna get sued.
Sauces.
Yeah, sauces are for horrible people.
We also got some sauces on the side. Alright guys, we got number 3, this Blaze Pizza. We won't be at our usual studio. We're actually going to a little park that we wanted to shoot at just so that there's a little variation. And we thought it would be a cool place to shoot. So, we'll see you there.
This is what we're calling the Build Your Own Pizza Test Taste Challenge. So I've been blindfolded, obviously. I can't see a thing. Jay has selected 3 slices, 1 from each pizza, and randomized the order. I will then taste each one and then rank them best to worst, 1 to 3. And then after, I will try to decipher or guess which one is which.
This one is our Blaze Pizza. This one is our Pieology. And this one is our Mod Pizza. I'm going to spin this around. Blaze, Mod Pizza, Pieology. We're gonna start off with this one. Here you go.
Where is it? Ah. That's pretty good. I'm sensing a downgrade from the last one.
And our third and final pizza. Here you go.
Sorry.
It's cool.
Okay.
All right.
I think number 1 is my number 1.
Okay.
I think number 3 is my number 2.
Okay.
And number 2 is my number 3.
Okay.
And I think that it goes, well, in the order that you gave them to me, it went Blaze, Mod Pizza, Pieology. 1 and 3, I enjoyed 1 and 3 vastly more than number 2.
So your final results are,
Yeah. Wait, can I take off the blindfold?
if you want,
Ah, it's bright!
in terms of taste, the one you liked the most was Mod Pizza.
Interesting. Interesting.
Your second favorite
Yes.
was Pieology,
That sounds about right, yeah.
Which
I do like
means-
Pieology a lot.
which means that Blaze was your least favorite.
Interesting. Because I love Blaze right there and then.
Yeah.
I got them all wrong. All right.
All right, guys, so now I am blindfolded. I might be just a little bit at an advantage just because I was the first one to select the slices.
All right, guys. So here's what we have. Here we have Blaze, Pieology, and Mod Pizza. Now we're gonna give it a little spin. Not sure if this is how Jay did it. Pieology, Mod, Blaze. We are going to start with this one. There you go.
I'm not feeling that semi-sweet taste that Blaze has. So it might not be Blaze, I'm not too sure. All right.
Here's the second one.
Thank you. This one's definitely a lot lighter. The crust was a big part of the taste. Thank you. The sausage on this one is really good.
You want pepperoni or you want to guess?
Give me pepperoni on number 1.
Right in front.
Right in front, like that. That pepperoni was definitely an indicator. So I want to say that one is Pieology. The second one did have that sweetness that I was mentioning, so I think that one is Blaze. And I want to say the last one is Mod Pizza. In terms of my taste, I think I would go 1, which I think is Pieology, 3, which I think is Mod Pizza, and then 2, which I think is Blaze. Which is kind of unfortunate because I really do like Blaze.
That was dead on.
Really?
That was dead on.
Dang.
Yeah, and definitely those pepperonis helped you out.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You're right about it being right. Kind of unfortunate that Blaze was actually both of our least favorites.
Yeah.
It's typically the one that we go to the most.
We absolutely love Blaze. Sponsor us.
To be honest, I haven't had Pieology before this. I've seen it, but I haven't really tasted it. Let us know which one you think is your favorite.
That's a great idea. I'd like to hear what you guys think of these 3 restaurants. If you've had any of them, let us know in the comments. Hit us up on Twitter and Instagram. You guys already know it's around here somewhere. And let us know how you have your build your own pizza. That being said, I think that's it for us today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us. And we hope to see you on a future episode of We Suck at Cooking. Bye, guys.